From your Canvas dashboard, click the Commons icon on the left side global navigation bar. In the Commons search box at the top of the page, enter Library Tutorial to see the full list of library modules. To limit your search, you can also add something like communication or information literacy, depending on what you are looking for. Click on the resource that you would like to download into your Canvas course. Click Import Download on the right. A tray opens which lists all of the Canvas course shells in which you are a teacher. Check the box next to the Canvas course where you would like to download the module. Scroll down and click Import into Course. A message will appear that the import has started. This process may take a few minutes to complete. Click on the Courses icon on the left side global navigation bar to display your list of Canvas courses. Select the course where you have downloaded the content. When the download is complete, on the Modules page, you will see the selected module listed in your course. Now you can specify which content you would like for your students to view. Items must be published for students to view. To publish the Library Lessons module and its contents for student view, click on the circle next to the module name and set your module options for preferred visibility. To confirm student access, click Student View on the upper right side of the page. Now you can see what the student sees in the Library Tutorial module, and to return to editor mode, just click Leave Student View on the lower right.